Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode.
Took my trousers off, I tied a knot in each end, inflated them.
That's amazing. I'm really impressed with your ingenuity.
Can we stop talking about pie now, because this is making me seriously hungry.
So we're looking for the pie shop.
Well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro.
So sidekick,
Yes.
how did you get back off the island so quickly?
Well, what I did was I took my trousers off, I tied a knot in each end, inflated them, and then luckily there was a big gust of wind and the inflated trousers picked up in the air. I held on to them and it carried me back to shore.
That's amazing. I'm really impressed with your ingenuity.
Yeah, well, you know,
Well, I'm stuck with you for a little bit longer then, I suppose, now.
it was something that Bear Grylls taught me.
What, hairy grills or the actual Bear Grylls?
The actual Bear Grylls and one of my training camps when I used to be in the SAS.
Did you used to be in the SAS?
Yeah, I don't tell many people that, but
Is that like the super, what's it stand for? Super annoying sidekick?
well, it wasn't annoying, but yeah.
I still want some of this award-winning pie.
I am looking forward to this pie, I tell you.
Just going to be a pie, is it? It's going to be the best pie in the world.
Well, it was the best pie in the world yesterday, so it's still going to be the best pie in the world today.
The question is, you had steak and ale yesterday, what are you having today?
I think I'm going to try the chicken and leek. I already spotted it yesterday. I wanted to go for 2 yesterday, but
I have a big question, because I had the steak and ale. I do have a big question.
yeah.
Did you spot one on there that was like a curry?
Yeah.
I'm going for the curry one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'm going for the curry one.
Can we stop talking about pie now, because this is making me seriously hungry.
Mouth's watering, literally. I'm going to dribble in a minute, because it was that good yesterday. I mean, I'm a big Pucker Pie Man fan, but this just blows any of that out of the park. So, we're looking for the pie shop.
Yeah, we're looking for the pie shop, which is at Ambleside, which is here. So we have come down from Allswater down here, and we're just questioning where we were going. I think I missed that bit of track. But anyway, that's that campsite we went past. So now we are pulled over somewhere just down here. So we're going to go Kirkstone Pass, which goes between the two valleys. So up ahead of us is the two mountains, big hills either side. So we're going to ride between those two.
Yeah.
And then as we come out the side there, we're going to take this road here to Ambleside.
Cool.
So when we go through the pass, Park, Kirkstone, yeah, and then we're going to take a right turn towards Ambleside. And this road might be a little bit interesting. We'll have to see, won't we?
Yeah, it's going to be good.
So yeah,
Let's do this bad boy.
laughing at my map reading skills.
Yeah, we're going to be going the wrong way now. That's what typically happens.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, that vibrates right through my butt cheeks.
Wow, we woo-wah, look at that!
Mate, I take it all back, your map skills are amazing, this is awesome.
Talk about a hidden gem!
And another one, second hidden gem of the day, dude.
Oh, wow, we woo-wah.
That looks epic.
Flipping heck.
Let's take the Himalayan to the mountain. Woohoo! Wowsy, wowsy. Right, let's have some fun. Go, 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 go! Woohoo! Look at the Himalayan!
Oh, yeah!
Go!
The
The Himalayan's loving it!
Come on, Peggy!
Leaning it!
Wander on! Oh, the scenery!
Oh, this is awesome, man. This is next level cool. Just chugging away again. Sapping it in. Loving it. that, look at that, we've got waterfall.
Waterfalls everywhere, almost going up into the cloud and all.
Now that's what it's about. More beanage. Look at him doing me, you dirty dog.
Oh, what a strip of tarmac! Yes, Peggy!
That's changing through the gears. It's like my racing days.
Oh,
It's over now.
I feel all unnecessary.
Well, I said the best pie place in the world. Let me give you the best pie place in the world.
We used to hang around town pretty late. I spent the week thinking about our next day. It was easier then, so much easier then. Or like that time I picked you up outside of school. You said, screw my dad, I make my own rules. It was easier then, so much easier then. Take me back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, baby. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall. We felt so alive and girl, we were thriving on.
Oh, sidekick. I'm a bit full.
Yeah,
I've literally got to that point where I just want to go for a lie down.
it's well worth it, though, that pie.
That was amazing. I just am an extra stone heavier.
Genuinely, the best pie.
I've ever had.
Oh, Pucker, I've got something to worry about there.
I definitely have. Right, so our plan after that, I'm still so full up. Right, our plan after that is to head for a nice little ride around.
Lay down, go for a sleep.
A nice little ride around the lake.
Yeah, next to the campsite.
Have a nice little ride around, chill out, let the pie settle, and then we're going to go back and spend the rest of the evening drinking beer and telling ghost stories.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
Well, riding along, we've just seen a ginormous boulder, and it's quite far away, but we're going to attempt to get to the top of the boulder, because you live once, so let's make it epic, exciting and cool. And I'll probably get out a puff a few times on the way, but we're aiming to go and get on top of that. Just over there, on top of that rock, mountain, boulder, we're going to try and get to the top. This could be good. Okay, so here we go. This is going to be harder than it looks, but this is going to make an awesome shot. It really is. Let's go. Oh, Mr. Dazza.
Yeah,
This is further away than it actually looks, isn't it?
I think it's 3 days camel trek to the nearest road.
It'll be worth it. Now we've got to cross this mighty river.
Ford this, we've got to ford this stream.
Go on, let's cross the mighty river.
Deep,
Is it deep?
deep.
Oh, you did it. Let's do it. Yeah, we made it. Let's keep going. We can get there. We're in. I'm glad I hit pie earlier. This is what's making it doable. Oh. So good being gym fit, brute fresh, and a man of the world. Lord, I'm gonna have to have a break in a minute. Whew. Nobody said we had to go through a jungle as well. Blimey. We made it, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the top of the world.